After leaving school, I didn't know what career I wanted, and I was always interested in being hands-on and building and things like that in school. So I went to Careers Wales, and they then got back to me and said that Welsh Water had the apprenticeship scheme running, so I went for that then. I found the scheme very, it was interesting and it was exciting, and I was also just really looking forward to it, and it wasn't as I expected it to be, but it's better than what I thought it would be. For me, it's been the right choice.
Kirsty's grown and developed fantastically since she started with Welsh Water. She came with little or no knowledge, certainly of this career, and it's been fantastic to see her go from knowing very little to being able to actually fault find. Within 6 months, she's gone to a job and was correctly fault found, and she's developed fantastically, really.
The importance of the Apprentices for Welsh Water is that they offer a succession plan. So as the more senior members of the team begin to retire, we have someone to step into their footsteps that have the key skills and experiences that they've learned from the more senior members.
Kirsty will be a fantastic Welsh Water employee after the 4 years, whatever route she decides to go through on her career. But she'll be fantastic at anything she does in Welsh Water.